Hello everyone, once again Shivani Sinha is here with the new subject PPT is Visual Basic 6.0. Okay, this is a 6 semester subject in Diploma Computer Science Engineering Polytechnic College students. Okay, so let's get started. The introduction part. First of all, we all have to know that what is Visual Basic and what is 6.0, what is the main features or what is the necessity to learn about Visual Basic. So I really want to first introduce you with this subject. So Visual Basic 6.0 is both a programming language and an integrated development environment. Okay, Visual Basic 6.0 is a version and is both a programming language and an IDE, that is integrated development environment. It belongs to the integrated development environment. Okay, this means what it means. This means that instead of writing thousands of line of code, look, we in general language we have to write many codes for executing any of the programs, right? So in Basic 6.0, instead of writing thousands of lines of code, you can create complicated programs by starring string together different forms and components. Okay, the end result is a refreshingly simple, fun, and easy to use approach to programming that's great for beginners as well as advanced coders. Understood what is Visual Basic and why we use Visual Basic in our programming? Look, Visual Basic is one of the most powerful and most knowing language. Okay, it compromises the reduces the complexity of the program, which if we code or if we write any program in other languages, then the length of the language or then the length of the code is very huge. Okay, so it is very difficult to read each and every line of those codes in a in some given definite time or in a some short time. Okay, so we use Visual Basic for making the code in a simple way, in a fun way, and very easy to approach to programming for the beginners, also for the beginner coder or for the advanced coder, which are okay. So now we know why we use Visual Basic 6.0, and there is given 6.0. So I must have to clear that 6.0 is a version of Visual Basic. Okay, so our next slide is Visual Basic 6.0 controls. Okay, in very starting, we should know what are the controls we have in Visual Basic 6.0. So the first one is Visual Basic Toolbox contains the controls which are used in the form design. Okay, we use toolbox for the use of designing. The controls are used by users to interact with the applications. Understood? Next point is the controls are categorized as instinct control. Okay, the built-in Visual Basic controls are called instinct control. These controls are always available in the toolbox. The instinct controls are checkbox, combo box, command box, data control, drill list, drive list, frame, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, image control, label, line, list box, and etc. and these are given in the slide, you can note from here. Okay, now the next slide is another controls are ActiveX controls. Okay, so what is ActiveX controls? All the controls which exist as separate files with an extension .ocx. Look here, dear students, .ocx is an extension. Clear? Don't be confused here. Are called ActiveX control. Any document which is having an extension, any control which is having an extension of .ocx is belongs to ActiveX control. Clear? Now these controls are available in all versions of the Professional and Enterprise Visual Basic Edition. The active controls are command dialog, data combo box, data list, MS Flex Grid, ADO data control, animation control, communication control, call bar control, etc. Understood? Now the next one is insertable objects. In Visual Basic, it is possible to include other application objects in a program and automate it. The applications are instead as object. Okay, so this is called insertable objects. Now the next point is ADO. What do you mean by ADO? So ADO is a reference or a short form of ActiveX data object. Clear? So what do you mean by ActiveX data control object? So here it is. The ADO data control is the primary interface between a Visual Basic application and a database. Clear? It can be used without writing any code at all. So what is it is? It can be used without writing any code at all, or it can be a central part of a complex database management system, that is DBMS. Clear? This icon may not appear in your Visual Basic tool. If it doesn't select project from the main menu, then click components. The components window will appear. Okay, understood. There, select Microsoft ADO data control, then click OK. The control will be added to your toolbox. So what is here written? This control um, is not visible in our toolbox. We have to do this process to make the ADO control enable in our project. Clear? Now what are the advantages of ADO in Visual Basic? So command allows you to update data directly without using record set. Understood? Now the second one is, unlike the connection object, the command object accepts parameters. Now the third one is, the command object has properties that the connection object doesn't, such as prepare. Understood? Okay. Now the next one is HTML. Look, there are many students are having a question or a doubt in HTML basics in Visual Basic. So students, it is very clear that HTML is a language, is a markup language. Okay, hypertext markup language, and we use the code, we use the structure of HTML in our Visual Basic for coding area, for the programming area. So don't be let confused that HTML is another thing and HTML basic in Visual Basic is another thing. Okay, there are some properties or there are some codes which I have already told you, but in this also I really want to discuss it with you. So don't be get confused. Okay, sorry. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Look, this is declaration. What is doc type HTML? Is a declaration of which HTML program. Now the next one is the HTML. Important point of HTML is the HTML document itself begins with this tag. Which tag? लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन का जो साइन होता है, the sign of less than and greater than, and we have written here HTML in a short. It is a tag, it is a tag, it is a structure, it is a coding format of HTML and ends with this type of format. Okay, the visible part of the HTML document is between body. When we write body and then we have to, whatever we want to write, we have to write under this part, body tag, and then the closing part of the body tag. Clear? So don't get confused with HTML and HTML basic, both are the same thing. But the only main point is here you have to know what is what is HTML, what is its use, and why we use HTML in our programming. In simple word, we use HTML in our programming for making our projects in a more creative and a more simplest way. Okay, now the next one is DAO, that is data access object. It is an application program interface, that is API, available with Microsoft's Visual Basic, that lets a programmer request access to a Microsoft Access database. Okay, DAO was Microsoft's first object oriented interface with database. It is a first object oriented interface with database. So it is one of the most important um, property, which one of the most important part of Visual Basic. So you have to learn about this in so now the next slide is thank you. In our next slide or in our next presentation, I um, I really want to discuss more about Visual Basic. If you have any question or if you have any doubt in this, please comment. I will definitely get solved to you. Thank you.